How to make soup for COVID recovery. After recovering from COVID, many people have tiredness, shortness of breath, and airway sensitivity, an urge to cough after speaking. Many patients have been asking me what they should eat to help them recover from long COVID. If you have tested COVID negative for 3 days and no longer have fever, headache, and sore throat, I would recommend you the crocodile meat and sea coconut soup. The ingredients are dried crocodile meat, lily bulb, tangerine peel, Chinese yam, figs, sea coconut, apricot kernels, and lean pork. First, soak the crocodile meat and tangerine peel for 30 minutes. Quickly blanch the lean pork and crocodile meat in boiling water. Wash the sea coconut, lily bulb, Chinese yam, apricot kernels, and figs. Scrape away the white pith from the tangerine peel. Cut the figs in half. Put 3 liters of water in the soup pot and bring it to boil. Add all the ingredients and boil it for 2 hours with medium heat. Lastly, add some salt to taste. The crocodile meat and sea coconut soup is complete. The soup is delicious. The crocodile meat gives it a special gamey flavor. It is warming to the body and soothing to the airways. This soup helps your recovery after COVID, and it is also especially beneficial during the winter to build your body's defenses against the cold weather. I am Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. I hope you enjoyed this soup. Please let me know if you drank it in the comments below.